Hello. This is an exciting day because my Gerard love box came. Let's see what I got. Now I got the platinum box, which is the mid-level. There's what, gold, platinum, and diamond or something, I don't know. The smallest one is $39. This one was $69, I think. And the big box, I think, is like $140. I don't know, check their website. Okay. In honor of our 5-year anniversary, we wanted to spoil you with something we know you have been wanting. These limited edition GC love boxes. Inside these bad boys, you will discover your gift packed with an array of GC sleigh essentials. We hope this box brings you joy and happiness and shows you how much we love you. Keep slaying, Jen. It wasn't a handwritten note to me, okay? I'm just reading. Okay, yes, this is the platinum. What's this? I was trying to temper my expectations. I was trying not to get my hopes up because I have so many Gerard Cosmetics products. I have just about everything that I would probably want or need or ever wear, but I had to get in on this, and look what I got. I got a Slay All Day makeup bag. I love it. Why am I so excited for the makeup bag? Okay. I got some weird fancy teeth whitening. I go to the dentist next week. I'll have to do this. This is like the whole tray and a light and a gel. Well, that's something I don't have. I've always wanted a fancy teeth whitening. I was kind of worried of getting this because I thought I didn't want it. But now that I have it, I really want it. And then there is, a whole lot of stuff in here. Eternal eyeliner. This stuff is amazing. Let me put that in my stockpile drawer. I am sad that I didn't get any setting spray. I'm sad about that. Destiny Supreme Lip Cream. Beautiful color. I will put that in my stockpile because I have it. Ecstasy lip pencil, I'll put that in my stockpile. Luna lip pencil, put that in my stockpile. Immortal lip pencil, I don't have that one. Wild Berry Tart, is this the Supreme Lip Cream? Yes! Oh my God, this is a beautiful color. Smells good. My skin is peeling all around my nose, sorry. It's hard to look at it without other makeup on, but it's a pretty color. Color Your Smile, Rose Hill. I love their lip glosses, so I'm sure I'll like this. You gotta use the light in the mirror. It's pretty, it looks just like, it looks just like the other one I just put on. That's okay. We love their stuff. Enchanté in their gold bullet lipstick. I don't have that. Ooh, Enchanté. This will go really well with the Ecstasy lip pencil. And Grape Crush! I really wanted this one. I really wanted this. Okay. I'm so glad I took the things out of the box in the order that I did. I would have been really sad if like the last 3 things I took out were the things that went into my stockpile. Don't get me wrong, they're great things. What did I have? Oh, yeah, Luna and Ecstasy are amazing lip pencils. And what was the other thing? Oh, the Destiny. Really wanted. I love the matte metals, and the purple's kind of bright, so I wasn't real sure. I mean, I'm not afraid of bright colors, but it is a pretty color though. So, that was my love box. I hope you love yours too. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye.